Hello everyone, welcome on GK Talks. So here I am with the new educational video and today's topic is prepositions. In this video we'll talk about what is preposition, uses of some prepositions, list of some words followed by appropriate prepositions and list of some phrasal prepositions. So let's start with the definition of preposition. The word preposition means placing before. It shows the relation between a noun or a pronoun and some other words in a sentence. The other words can be a noun, a verb or an adjective. For example, the pen is laying on the table and he came at midnight. In sentence number 1, on shows the relation between the pen and the table. And sentence number 2, at shows the relation between he and midnight. Let's move to the uses of some prepositions. First of all, let's talk about at, in. At is used for exact time and it is used to denote villages or smaller towns. In is used to show the total length of time for the completion of some activity or action. It is used to denote bigger towns, states, countries. For example, the train arrived at midnight. Here in this sentence we are talking about the exact time at midnight. Next example, I reached there in a few minutes. So here in is representing the total length of time for completing an action. Let's move further and next preposition is for and since. For is used for a period of time while since is used to denote point of time from which an action has been continuing. For example, he has been learning this lesson for 2 hours and it has been raining since morning. Next preposition, from, since. From is used for the starting point of action and is generally combined with to, till or until. Since is used to denote the point of time. For example, we lived in Mumbai from 1995 to 2010 and we have been friends since 2010. Next preposition, on. On is used for day and date. For example, the Gandhi Jayanti falls on 2nd October or my uncle will arrive here on Sunday. Next, between and among. Between is used with two person or things and among is used with more than two. For example, the purse is laying between two pillars and sweets were distributed among children. Next, beside and besides. Beside means near or at the side of and besides mean as well as or in addition to. For example, there is huge banyan tree beside the temple and second example, besides being intelligent, he is gentle also. Next, on and upon. On is used in speaking of things at rest and upon is used with things in motion. For example, put your bag on the table and the hungry lion fell upon the deer. Next, above and over. Above represents something at a place higher than another object or person and over represents something that is directly upwards the another person or object. Like many birds flew over or above the tower. Generally, above and over means higher than. Next preposition, though, yet. Though. Though means despite the fact and yet means nevertheless. See the examples. Though he is poor, yet he is happy. So that. We use so and that to show the purpose. He is so hungry that he needs food immediately. Or I am so happy that I can give anything to anyone. Next, below and under. Below and under means lower than. See the example, standing on the top of the hill we saw a valley below us. Or I saw a little boy standing alone under a tree. Next, in and into. In denotes position or rest and into denotes motion inward. For example, grandfather is taking rest in his room and the naughty boy threw a 10 rupee coin into the well. Next, by and with. By is placed before an agent and with relates to the instrument with which the action is done. For example, the book is written by Ravi or Raman writes with a pen. Next, off and off. Off relates to somebody and off shows separation. For example, he comes of a good family and he fell off the tree. Now here is a list of some words followed by appropriate prepositions like abstain, abstain from. Its meaning is to stay away from something. Like assess to. Its meaning is approach. Account for, to explain. Accustomed to, habituated. Acquit of, to make free. Addicted to fall badly in the habit of. Afraid of, fear. Agree to give consent to a proposal. Agree with, be ready with a person. Ashamed of, feeling of shame. Here is a list of some phrasal prepositions on your screen. According to, because of, in spite of, on account of, on behalf of, instead of, in order to, for the sake of. I hope learners this explanation will be helpful to understand preposition and the uses of prepositions. You can check my other videos related to English grammar, grade 7 and 8. The links are flashing on your screens. You can check all that. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.